App library. Search field.
Hello everybody. Welcome to another video on Alfie's Tech World. In today's video, I'm just going to do like a little something that I found because I was collecting some ringtones yesterday and I stumbled across this very, very interesting collection of ringtones that I want to share to you. I have the BlackBerry 8700 or 8700 ringtones. Now where I got these, I can show you in a minute. But apart from that, I think we should get started. So I got them on my Mac. They're in .mid format, so it's easier for me to use. And besides, I can just easily open Logic Pro because Logic Pro does support .mid files. Plus, you can download them .mid audio contents, which means if you have a MIDI keyboard, you can actually play these files. Like, you can actually make audio files with these sounds contained, and yes, it does use your downloaded audio files as well. So if you have instruments on Logic Pro, I only discovered this yesterday. If you have instruments already installed on Logic Pro, like I do, like you can download them straight from Logic Pro. But some of these stuff are only contained on .mid files, so some instruments are required to download. But Apple has modified them. Apple has got their own, what is it called now? It's called a sound font. That's what it is, sound font. So a sound font is basically a little file that tells the MIDI software what instruments are contained in this, and it gets all the stuff. Some of them might be modified instruments, and I've seen a video where you on the Braille Note Empower. We're talking about in the 2000s now, because that's very legacy. That's a legacy Braille device. You can actually play .mid files because it is running Windows. It's running Windows CE. Now, that's the same as the Braille Note Apex, and you may be wondering why can't you play it on that? Well, it's because that the Braille Note Empower has a few more features, and I think it's a more up-to-date version. I think it might be Windows CE 7, or that might not even exist. It might be Windows Compact. Because I remember having a look at betawiki.net or betawiki.net, however you want to say it, and you do have a page dedicated to Windows CE in the Windows category of the wiki, so have a look in there because it's quite interesting if you already haven't. Now, I might do a dedicated video on BetaWiki, because it is a very, very interesting website. It has a few pages on Linux, which is very interesting. Now, you may be wondering, why am I not doing any videos on my Linux Mint VM? It is because of VMware. And I accidentally deleted the copy that I did not want to delete afterwards, because I moved the contents of the virtual machine over to the USB, because what if I wanted to use it on a separate machine? Now, guess what happened? VMware decided to get annoying, and now I can't even boot the thing up. So now I'm going to have to remake it. Thanks, VMware. You have made me an even harder job. And that is really not what I want to be doing. Literally. So I think I should get this over and done with and show you some of the MIDI audio files. So right now I'm on my desktop. Now
Macintosh HD volume.
we're gonna do it the way that a bit more techy. We're gonna go in here
Now in Mac icon
because
applications
applications, we don't need that.
library
Library, that's a system folder.
system
System, obviously, that you know what that is.
users
Now,
folder
users is the one that we need to go into.
icon Elfewayne folder
That's my full name. Let's go in here.
icon downloads
Downloads. Now we need to go in here.
list view in this 8700 folder.
It's just called 8700 or 8700. Actually, speaking of which,
Language rock
I'm changing my voice.
Siri, Stephanie, where Ish,
Where is it?
Rishi, Sun, Vina,
I
Aaron,
don't need this.
Agnes, Alex, Brood,
No.
Evans,
I'm
Flo,
not
Fred,
doing
Graham,
that.
Julie, Jeff, Nathan,
It's
Nikki,
row read United
okay.
Club
Right, this is the voice that I really like.
8700 folder empties 8
Let's open this.
list view and alarm underscore antelope mid standard MIDI file.
That's what it's actually called because macOS has it saved in its file formats.
Open.
Open. Because ever since that you get Logic Pro, it does save that because it's recognised it.
Alarm
Now it does do
empty cell
this.
call alarm
Oh,
underscore
and I
antelope.
can tell
Logic
it's
Pro
about
is
to
not
open.
responding.
I can tell because my Mac always gets slow when I.
Lock now in untitled 2.4
Okay.
track untitled and inspect
Oh,
control bar toolbar.
doing this thing again.
Quick nav on. Quick nav off. Control bar.
Going on, guys.
Finder.
Screen
Logic
recording.
Pro.
Heading.
Control. Metronome on. Metronome off.
Right, there we go.
1 bar.
Check now and let's play.
1.
Oh,
1 bar.
that is that file in action. Now, I like this because the Apple sound font that's used in Logic Pro, it's a very, very, very cool sound font, and it's very, very modern. It feels like very modern. I think it gets updated every version, but I don't know.
Finder. Alarm underscore electronic.
Okay, now this one
Oh,
I think
Logic.
you may...
Don't close. The
There
hands
we
don't
go,
sit.
don't save. There we go.
Now in
Okay.
metronome off.
I don't need you. Check
1
if we're
bar.
on top again, which we probably are, so I'm not going to do this again. And let's start.
1.
Now, that is very annoying. It does wake you up though.
1 bar.
If you did have the BlackBerry 8700, then
Finder.
that'd
Finder.
probably wake you up.
Alarm underscore quick bell. Mid stand.
Quick bell.
Open. To close. Cancel. Don't. Do you want to control? Metronome off.
And let's go.
1.
These seem different to the thing that I did last time. These actually
1
do
bar.
seem different.
Finder. Find. Notifier underscore bike bell.
Okay,
Open.
we have notifier by
You are currently on the cell 2 items. In con name. Notifier update today. Grid. Today. Today. Grid. Today.
No.
Finder. Group name. Date name.
Oh, there we go.
Notifier under open. Music.
Whoa.
Finder name. Notifier underscore bike bell. WAV waveform up.
Okay, that's a .wav. Never
Notifier
mind.
underscore bike horn. WAV wave.
I'm actually going to tell it. Oh,
Notif.
I can't. Oh, voiceover's playing.
Closing menu.
No.
Notifier underscore bike horn.
Oh, great.
Notifier
Oh,
underscore
great.
bike horn. Date name. Closing menu. No audio and video controls. Status menu. Finder. Date name. Music. Find kind name. Notifier. Voiceover off.
It's doing this again, isn't it?
Voiceover on Finder.
Whoa. What the?
Music. Finder. Off tape and find up relaunch. The closing mute today. Grid today.
Now that is weird.
Grid. Finder is launched in the background. Logic Pro Finder.
Yeah.
Find kind. List
Okay.
view and lit alarm. Alarm.
Okay, no.
Apple.
Yes, it's
Closing.
working now.
Notifier underscore menu open.
Okay.
Open with
Okay.
books. Mute Logic Pro.
Logic Pro, here we
Closing.
go.
Lock. Don't close.
Close.
Cans don't.
Let's save.
The audio file notifier
What the?
underscore bicorn dash 48K WAV has a 8-bit format and can't be used. Cancel the logic cancel. The number of tracks to help. Number 1.
Okay.
1.
I did not expect that.
Finder notifier underscore bike bell. Notifier underscore bicorn dash 48K WAV waveform. Notifier underscore bicorn. WAV
Okay.
menu.
This might
Open
work.
book logic.
Logic Pro.
Closing. Don't close.
Close.
And the audio file notifier underscore bicorn dash 48K underscore 1. WAV has a 8-bit format and can't be used. Cancel.
this
New track.
duplicating
Create
itself?
Logic Pro. Finder. Group notifier underscore bicorn dash 48K WAV waveform. Notifier underscore bicorn. Notifier underscore bicorn dash 48K underscore 1. Notify alarm empties out kind out 8700 scrolling and list view and alarm notifier underscore Voila. Mid standard notifier underscore cricket. Mid notifier underscore Charleston. Mid notifier underscore caffeine. Notifier underscore bicorn. WAV with notify.
Okay, it works now. So
Notifier underscore bicorn. WAV
What the?
notifier underscore caffeine. WAV waveform
Okay,
notifier
don't play that.
underscore Charleston. Mid stand
Play
open.
this.
Lock don't close.
Close. I'm absolutely
Lockdown and
confused
control.
why you would do this.
Metronome off.
Anyway,
One bar.
pretty interesting. Oh, let's
Tracks.
just
Find group.
one
Notifier
chord.
underscore cricket. Open.
Cricket.
Don't
Let's have a
close.
look at this.
Hands don't.
Don't save.
Do you want uncontrol?
Whee.
Metronome off.
Okay.
One bar.
Standard.
One bar. Find group.
MIDI.
Notifier underscore crystal. Mid stand open. Don't close. Hand don't. Do you control? Metronome. One.
Now I like that.
One bar.
And also I do have all these files on my Windows, so if anyone wants to hear a MIDI selection on my Windows, this is the default Windows MIDI sound font. Then
Finder notifier underscore entrance. Mid stand
entrance.
open.
Okay.
Logic to close.
I have to say, because why was it doing that? But yeah,
Do you want control?
okay.
Metronome off.
Let's play this.
One.
Um,
One bar.
it's Excuse me, did I catch that correctly? Let's just play this again.
One bar.
I am so confused right now. Wait a second, let's play this one more time.
2 bars, 4 beat, 1 bar.
I've noticed that every time I play that. Wait a second.
1 bar, 4 beats, 200, 1 bar.
That has to get louder. That seriously sounds like it's actually getting louder.
Find group. Notifier
Wait a
underscore
second.
Voila. Mid stand open.
Voila,
Don't
whatever that
close.
is.
Hands don't. Do you attend? Veteran 1,
What the?
3, 1.
What is that?
Finder group. Notifier underscore fast break. Open.
Fast break?
Don't close.
Whatever
Hands
that
don't.
is.
Some additional cancel.
Blah,
Logic
blah.
now and
Can always download that
Veteran.
later. Let's play.
1,
Interesting.
1 bar. 1.
I think that's just the
One
drum
bar.
kit, to be honest.
Find group. Notifier underscore light speed. Open
Light
music.
speed. What?
Music window.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Find the group. Grid.
What?
11. Music logic finder. Grid. Today. Finder. A notifier underscore magic. Mid standard video 5. Open.
Okay, that's a mid.
Don't close. Can't don't
I missed the .wav.
log.
at the
Do you
end.
want an intro? Veteran.
Let's play this.
1. 1.
Okay, that actually does sound like
Finder.
a different.
Finder. Notifier underscore morning. Mid stand.
Morning.
Open.
Morning.
Close.
There's a
Cancel.
says morning.
Now
I can do a
and-
very good impression of that.
Met
Morning. Anyway, let's play.
1,
I
2.
love that guitar.
One.
That sounds cool.
Finder group. Notifier underscore nymph. Mid stand open.
Nymph.
Don't close. Cancel. Don't. Now a control. Metronome off. 1, 2.
I have actually heard
One.
that before.
Finder. A notifier underscore ready. Mid standard video 5. Open.
Okay, let's
Don't close. And
play
don't.
this.
Do you attend? Metronome off. 1.
Why does
Two.
that sound like
One.
Ubuntu?
Finder. A notifier underscore soap break. Mid stand open.
Soap break?
Don't close. Cancel. Don't.
What weird names
Do
did
you want-
Blackberry come up with, honestly?
Met 2, 1. 2.
Sounds
One.
cool.
Find group date modified.
What
So the
the?
name. Notifier underscore ready. Notifier underscore sonar. WAV wave.
Sonar.
Notifier
We're not gonna play
underscore
the-
spell. Mid stand.
Okay, let's play
Open.
this.
Don't close. Can't don't. Do you attend? Metron 1.
How did they make that?
1. Finder group.
I really need to make my own .mid files. These sound cool.
Notifier underscore UFO. WAV waveform
UFO,
audio ringer
okay.
underscore bonjour. Mids open.
Okay, we have
Don't
some
close. And
ringers
don't.
now. Warning, they actually sound
Do you
terrible.
want control? Metron 1.
Let's see, what do we... Oh my. These sound horrible. These are just
Finder
endlessly
group.
looping.
Ringer underscore classic phone. Mid standard open.
Okay, this one's
Don't close. And
way
don't.
better.
Some addition cancel. Now and
So I don't care.
Met
Anyway, let's play. That,
1.
okay.
Finder desktop ringer underscore address. Mid stand open.
What is
Don't close.
that?
And don't.
Seriously,
What do you control? Metro
Alright, let's play.
1,
Is this step?
3,
This is stereo! It pans from left to right.
1.
Nah, you're saying that the 8700 stereo. Ah! I thought mid files were only in a single channel. Oh my, I really need to learn about
Find-
mid
find-
files. Gosh.
Ringer underscore room service. Mid stat open.
Room
Don't
service.
close. Cat don't.
Sound like you're at a hotel. Sound like you're watching
you-
Home Alone.
Um, 1,
Ah!
1 bar.
No!
Finder. Desktop.
Blackberry.
Ringer underscore Tinkerbell. Mid standard.
Tinkerbell, that sounds like a
Open.
Huawei
Don't
ringtone.
close. Cat don't.
That is
Do
like,
you
that is literally the name is a Huawei ringtone. Huawei, stop copying Blackberry.
1 bar. 1 bar.
Ow.
1. Finder.
Very high pitched and very annoying.
Tune underscore assembly line.
Okay, now
Open.
I do
Don't
like
close.
this.
Cat
And
don't.
you'll see why. It's very dancey. Very, very dancey.
Some download.
No.
A little save space. Okay. Default. Now
Uh-oh.
enter. Metronome off.
Let's play.
1.
Now I do like this. Turning off my back speakers here. I think we should play this one more time.
1 bar. Speech muted.
Let's go. This was such a good tune to play. Like, seriously. And that bass. So good. No, they can't I think developers have just found a way to make their own instruments accessible via Logic Pro. Apple, you give them a one-way ticket.
Speech unmuted. Find group. Tune underscore Bachfilgedminer.
Okay, what is
Open.
this?
Lock. Don't close.
I
Close.
am not playing blowing out the candles
Do you
because that
want-
is literally
Don't.
happy birthday.
Logic Pro. Some the cats.
Cancel.
Now it's enter. Metron 1.
Okay, I love this one. Seriously. The power of MIDI files comes to life. Honestly,
Speech muted.
I have to play this again. This file just deserves to be played over and over again. Like Ring 07 on the SPHA 640, it is a good ringtone that. But I'm thinking of ranking this number 1 on my dot mid ringtones list because this is like the best. I have no reason why I should search for another ringtone like this, or even a tune like this, because I think this is actually an alarm, but this also might be a ringtone. I feel like this is an alarm. Can't be an alarm, so it's got to be a ringtone. Yeah, let's play. Samsung ringtones.
Speech unmuted. Finder. Proof. Tune underscore blow out the candle.
No.
Tune underscore
Wait, no.
calypso. Mid-stack.
Calypso. Should I play? Yeah, I think I should play this.
Open. Lock. Don't close. Cancel. Don't.
It's not one of my favorite ringtones,
Logic
but let's
Pro
play
is
it
not
anyway.
responding. Alert. Some cancel.
Cancel.
Now and
Oh,
metronome off.
there we go.
One.
Interesting. Yeah, this might be
One
a
bar.
good ringtone to play.
Find. Tune underscore can. Mid-stack. Open.
Okay.
Don't close. The
Close.
cancel.
I do actually have another
Don't say. Logic.
ringtone to play, but this is in the SPH A500 ringtone set, and I will have to connect up my hard drive for this.
Logic. Now and control and type.
Okay,
Metronome
let's
off.
play. What the?
Logic Pro not responding.
Oh, I just
4
realized.
beats to the 1 bar.
We might get a system overload.
Alert. System overload.
Told you.
The audio engine was unable to process all required data in time. You can try increasing the I/O buffer size or changing the multi-threading option in Logic Pro greater than, settings greater than, audio greater than, devices.
Oh my word, that doesn't even do anything. I literally tried yesterday doing that because I was curious to see what happened, and the audio file just didn't play. It just showed up with that message. That is the best, honestly.
Okay. Now, Finder. Find.
Imagine doing that on the Mac at the Apple Store. They would be furious.
Tune underscore down to business. Mid.
Boy.
Open.
Not a business.
Logic Pro.
Whoa.
Low. Don't. Logic Pro is not responding.
Steady on, Logic Pro. You're getting in front of the window.
Logic.
Uh,
Alert.
I
Cancel.
I
Cancel.
honestly don't
Download.
care.
Cancel. Logic now and metronome off.
Let's play.
1. Alert. Dialogue.
What the?
System overload. The audio engine was unable to
How does that
system. The audio
work?
okay. Now.
Yeah, I fooled you, Logic Pro.
One buck.
I literally
One.
fooled you.
Finder, tune underscore entertainer. Mid standard
Can
MIDI
do it.
open.
Okay,
Lock,
entertainer.
don't close. Cancel,
Don't save.
Logic Pro is
Okay, it's
now in
gonna-
control. Metronome. One.
Oh! Okay. Thing that I've heard of Sound X. What a great classical piece this is. Seriously. I'm surprised this is on the library. I like that.
One. Finder, tune underscore fever. Mid stand open.
Fever.
Lock, don't close. Cancel, don't. Do you want?
Oh.
Logic Pro not responding. Logic Pro not
Okay.
responding. Alert, some to cancel, some to can. Now it end.
Oh.
Metronome off. One.
Interesting.
One bar. Find group. Tune underscore good news. Mid st-
Where is it? Oh, I think I know where it is. It's in the Samsung ringtones. Never
Tune
mind.
underscore good news.
I think is
Mid
it?
standard MIDI 5.
Release.
Tune
Yeah, that is
underscore good news.
good
Open.
news.
Don't close. Can't
Close.
don't.
Don't say. It's gonna do this again. isn't
Logic Pro is not responding.
it? I bet it is. I bet it's gonna show that alert.
Do you want an
Oh.
metronome?
Okay, let's play.
One.
Okay.
One bar.
That's a
Find
cool
finder.
one.
8 tune underscore jazz. Mids open.
Jazz.
Don't close. Cancel. Don't.
This has to be jazzy.
Logic Pro is not
You get it?
responding.
Because jazz. And then
Cancel.
oh.
Cancel. Logic.
We
Now
may
in
hear some stuff that we
Metronome.
haven't before.
one.
Oh, as I expected. Already jazzy. Already jazzy. Nah, not one of my favourites. They're just playing
One bar.
random notes.
Untitled find group. Tune underscore Adetajoy. Open.
What?
Don't load. Hands don't.
Don't save.
Logic
Don't
Pro is not responding.
Literally.
Do you want a control? Metronome off.
Okay, let's play. No.
One.
No way.
Finder. Desktop tune underscore promenade. Open.
Promenade.
Don't close. Hands don't.
Don't save.
Logic Pro is not responding.
Yeah, that rhymes.
Do you want
Promenade, don't save.
metronome? One bar.
Oh.
Find group. Tune unders.
Wait, hold on a second. Do, 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 do. It's either, yeah, I think it is Samsung that uses Logic Pro. I think, because I remember a ringtone. Oh, never mind. No, it doesn't. That's a Suno song.
Tune underscore simple times. Mids open.
Simple times.
Close. Cancel.
Don't save.
Logic Pro is not responding.
Don't save. My fan is
Alert. Cancel.
no.
Submit. Can't download. Cancel.
So you might actually hear some stuff that we haven't
Now
before.
untitled 5 button.
Oh,
Metronome on. Metronome off.
okay, let's play.
1.
Okay. Synthesizer. What the?
Alert.
What the?
Dialogue. System 60. Okay. Default. Now
Let's carry on. I want to play that again.
One,
That is so cool.
one.
Okay,
One.
seems like it can only probably only did that.
Tune underscore trans.
Still,
Mid open.
still need to find out what this is
Close.
yet.
Default. Can't.
Don't save.
Logic Pro is not responding.
Probably deleted the rest of that since it is system overload.
A little hands. Some hands. Some hands.
Ooh,
Now and metronome. 1.
Interesting.
1.
I prefer the Windows version of that.
Finder. Desk. Tune underscore trans. Tune under.
Okay, now here comes the ringtones that I like on my hard drive. Or me hard drive. I'm actually having a bit of a problem with this. Okay. Interesting. Oh, yes! Got it. And is it? Yeah, it's on.
Out of date mod. Outward side inside airdrop. Recents. App. Download. Search. iCloud. Shared. iCloud. Document. Dead location. Seagate. Out of icon. Game. Link. Miss. Podcast. Project. Sam. SPHA 500 folder. SPHA 5002 folder. Star under Suno temp text video deviant node. Sammy SPHA 500 zip video temp Suno star SPHA 50 open.
You did open
You are currently on the scroll area for the icon on off folder. Icon off. Mid
off.
open. Don't close. Hands don't. Logic. Do you control metro 1? One.
No, yes, it is.
Finder group on. Mid open. Don't close. Don't. Do you control metronome 1?
I like that.
1 box. 5 group outward side on the tool and back icon on off others folder. Visit chickens mid fewer Ellis hit sim for the new world Polka. New word polka.
This is the one that I want to
Open.
show you.
Don't close. Cat don't sit.
Sounds very Christmassy.
Logic
I
Pro.
can't.
Now and enter.
I'm gonna
Do
say.
you want? Enter. Metronome on. Metronome up.
Let's play.
1.
Told you. Very Christmassy. This is where the Christmassy bit comes, and also I recognise this bit from somewhere. I think we all know where that bit's come from. Oh no, this song actually. It has a nice ring to it, to be honest. Yeah, it definitely has a nice ring to
1
it.
bar.
Okay guys, I have a few more things to tell you, a few updates. So I won't be as active this week, and I wasn't as active this weekend either, nor was I active last week. However, Glory Frontline Part 2 will be coming out tomorrow. As I recorded in this video, which is a Sunday. Now, Glory Frontline Part 1 has been put to private by Nathan's Tech Word, as I haven't uploaded it. Yeah, so Nathan's Tech Word, or Nathan or T111, as that channel was previously known, set that video to private because I didn't upload the previous one, so that video is now going to become public in a matter of hours. So yeah, so if you haven't watched that, sorry, it's because of that. So yeah, I won't be as active as normal this week, and yeah, and also probably next week and the week after that, because we're going on holiday. So
Speech
yeah.
off. Stop. Mic. Stop.
Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys.
Stop.
Bye.